everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing of a new beauty box from Feel Unique. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. I post 2 to 3 videos a week all about makeup and beauty. If you like what you see here today, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. And just while I remember to mention, I did have a giveaway running on my channel recently where I was ranking my BH Cosmetics palettes, and the giveaway was a chance to win a BH Cosmetics palette of your choice. At the point I'm filming this, the giveaway has closed and the winner has been chosen and contacted. Once I hear back from them and everything is confirmed, I will pin their comment on that video, so be sure to go and check out who was the winner of that giveaway if you are interested. But other than that, why don't we get into this beauty box. So this is a new service that Feel Unique are offering, and it is called the Feel Unique Beauty Box. This does appear to be replacing their beauty kit service, but seems to work in a very similar manner, apart from you can now sign up to this as a subscription. So the way the beauty kit worked was once a month you were able to log on and select 5 different deluxe size samples or travel size minis. You would pay £12.95 plus shipping. You would then get your shipping back to you in the form of a gift voucher. How this new service works is you can sign up to it in a number of different ways. You can still get it as a one-off box, which I do definitely appreciate, because with the beauty kit it wasn't something that I got every single month. It was just something I would pick and choose when there was enough items that interested me. So I do like that you can still get the one-off box, but you can also sign up to the service on a subscription basis, and the offers available are 3, 6 and 12 months. So I presume that is going to be a rolling contract, so if you go for the 3 months, once the 3 months has elapsed, unless you cancel it, it will automatically enrol you for another 3 months. I've written down the prices of each of the services, so I'll just read that out now. The one-off box is £13.95, but now you don't pay shipping on this service, whereas when it was the beauty kit you would pay £12.95, but you'd pay the shipping, which although technically you did get back, you were still paying. So it is now a slightly more expensive service, but you don't pay for the shipping. It also means you don't get a gift voucher out of this service now. As far as I'm aware, nothing has changed with the pick and mix samples. I have just placed an order for this month's samples, so that video will be up shortly. And obviously if anything's changed, I will let you know in that video. So like I say, the one-off box is £13.95, but that doesn't tie you into any term, so I can pick and choose when I get the box. If you sign up to 3 months, it is £13.50 per month, so you save 45p. If you sign up to 6 months, it goes down to £12.75 per month. And then if you sign up to a 12-month contract, it is £11.95 per month, so it does go down slightly. For me, I was very tempted to sign up for the 3 months because I would obviously save a little bit of money each month. But I thought for this first month, I would just get a one-off box for now. So what I will probably do is next month when I can get another one of these boxes, I will have a look and see if there's enough samples for me to choose from. If there is, then I most likely will sign up to the 3-month contract. But if not, then obviously I'll hold off and wait and just do it as a one-off basis as and when the samples come about that I want to try, which is what I've done when it was the beauty kit. So on the website for this service, it does say that it is for 5 deluxe samples. I've always kind of said that it's 5 deluxe samples or 5 travel size minis. I suppose it does depend on the size of the product or the type of the product, but they are saying that it is deluxe samples. I think with them saying it is deluxe size samples, it does make this subscription service very comparable to Birchbox, because as far as I'm aware, Birchbox is only samples. I don't believe you get any full size items. Obviously the other subscription boxes out there like Glossybox, like Latest in Beauty, like Look Fantastic, a lot of them do a mixture of deluxe size samples and full size items. So I think if you are looking to sign up to a new beauty box and are expecting to get full size items, you are probably going to be disappointed by this service. But why don't I show you what items I chose. So the items do come in this really pretty pouch which says Discover, Trial, Play. It is a little drawstring bag which will be quite handy. I do believe on checkout there was actually an option as to whether I wanted to include this bag or not. So it looks like they are actually listening to the feedback out there where people don't necessarily want the actual bags that you get every single month. Obviously, because this was my first month trying this service, I did want to see what the bag was like. It is quite thick material, it is really nice quality, and it is a bag I will definitely reuse. But I do like that next month when I go on to possibly order another one of these, I can say that I don't want this bag. I don't know how it'll work on the subscription because I did only get the one-off box. I don't know if it's a case that you say you don't want one of these for any of them, or you automatically get them. I'll obviously have a look into that when I go back on next month, but for this one-off box I did decide to get the bag. So looking at all the samples that were available for this service, it is basically a renamed beauty kit. So there are a lot of samples that are available to select that are from the beauty kit that have been available for a while now. But it does look like they have put some new ones on there specifically for this new service as well, which is really good. There does also appear to be a bit more makeup on there, which is good because normally it's a lot of skincare and things like that. When I logged back onto this service the other day to get the value of all these items, I did notice that they have a sample of the new Natasha Denona eyeliner, which is really good because that is such a brand new product. So if you are wanting to try that liner, which I kind of do myself, you can get a sample of it through this service without paying the full price, which is probably £20-something for a liquid liner. So like I say, I have gone on and worked out the value of each of these items. So as I go through each one, I will tell you its value and then give you a grand total at the bottom. Unlike other subscriptions, this service doesn't promise to give you a certain value each month, but obviously because it is a bespoke service, they would be able to guarantee that anyway. So the first item I chose is actually one that I got in my last beauty kit because I enjoyed it that much. I wanted to get another one, and this is from Pharmacy. This is the Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I was going to purchase a full size of it, but I do have a couple of other cleansing balms that I want to get through before I purchased the full size of this. But then when I seen that it was available as part of this service, I kind of couldn't help myself. Plus the fact that it had carried over from beauty kit to this beauty box, I kind of took it as a sign to get another one. So this is a product that I already know and love, and this is 12ml of product, which you do get quite a lot of uses out of that. The full size of this is £23.90 for 50ml. So I work out that this 12ml is worth £5.74. I am really excited to have another one of these in my collection. It does also give me hope that they may possibly put some other pharmacy products in this subscription service, because I do want to try more from the brand, but it is a quite pricey brand, so something like this is an ideal way to try it. Next product I picked is another skincare item. This is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Balm Dia Bright Cream. This is a product that I have the fragrance mist from in this scent, and I do really enjoy it, but I had been wanting to try the moisturiser. Again, another product that I had just gone to purchase the full size of because I know I like the scent, but when I seen I could get it in this service, I thought it was better to give it a try this way first. This says it's a retexturizing body cream which nourishes as it reveals healthier, smoother, brighter looking skin. It's infused with renewing fruit AHAs and vitamin C. So this is the new Cherryosa 40 scent, which it doesn't actually say on here what the scent is, but I do believe it's like creme de cassis, black plum and vanilla or something like that, but it is really nice. It's not as strong as the original, the Cherryosa 62 scent. It is a bit more kind of mellow than that, but it is a really nice warm rich scent, so I do really enjoy this. This is a product that I didn't actually think I was going to be able to try, because when I got this I wanted to immediately open it and smell it. Even though I know what the fragrance mist smells like, I thought this might be slightly different, and I actually couldn't open it. Both myself and my husband tried for a good 30 minutes or so to try and screw the lid off this product. In the end, he had to, I think he used a pair of scissors to kind of prise it open because it just would not come open. I think the problem is because of the way that the lid's so thick and this base bit is here, it's hard to get a bit of grip on it. So yeah, we did have a little bit of issue opening it. So in case you do get one of these, just put some scissors underneath the lid to kind of prise it away from the edge there, because that did really help. And then I have just opened it slightly to give it a smell, and it does smell exactly like the fragrance mist, and it is such a really nice smell. And for me, I associate the original scent as being quite a summery scent. This for me, because it kind of makes me feel warm, I associate this more as being a autumny type scent. But I'm really excited to give this a go and see how it works as a moisturiser, because I do like the original one. This is 25ml of product. The full size is 75ml for £18, so I work out that this is worth £6. The next three items that I got are makeup, so it is nice that I've managed to make this a quite varied box. So the first product I chose is this mascara from Bite Beauty. This is the Upswing Full Volume Mascara with Berry Wax. Bite Beauty has just landed on Feel Unique, which I'm very excited about because I've been dying to try something from this brand, but it's never been available in the UK. Just before I picked up this beauty kit, I did actually place an order from Feel Unique for one of the Bite Beauty lipsticks, which you will see in my haul at the end of the month. I was very tempted to also add the mascara to the basket, but I thought I would just try a lipstick first. If I like that, then I will buy the mascara. Then I come to get this beauty kit and seeing I could get a sample of it, which was even better. So this is 5.5ml of product, so it's just slightly smaller than the travel size one that they have on their website. The full size is 15ml, the travel size one is 7.5, so it is a deluxe sample as they say. But I'm really excited to give this one a go. I think this is the exact same as the full size packaging. I haven't opened it yet to look at the wand, but I'm happy to open it because I think this is what I'm going to try sooner rather than later. So here is the wand. So it does have that hourglass shape. It's big but not too big because I'm not a massive fan of the huge fan brushes. So that does look really nice. I've heard so many people talking quite highly of this mascara, so I'm really excited to give it a go. And I say it was just perfect timing because I did nearly buy a full size. So the full size is £26 for 12ml, not 15 as I just said. So I work out that this 5.5ml product is worth £11.92. I did actually see recently a couple of people on YouTube mention a possible dupe for this product. There's a new mascara out by e.l.f. It's in purple packaging. I think it's called New Mood or something like that. So I am quite tempted if I do like this. Obviously, if I absolutely love it, I will happily purchase the full size. But if I do like it, I might possibly try that one from e.l.f. because that's going to be so much cheaper. Something to keep in mind if you've possibly been wanting to try this mascara but don't want to spend the money on it, possibly give that one from e.l.f. a go, because I've seen a couple of people on YouTube recommending it. But yeah, a new mascara from a new brand to try. The next product I picked is the setting powder from KVD. This is the Lock-It setting powder in translucent. I was kind of hoping that this was the new KVD brand, whatever they are now called. I think it's Caring Vegan something or other beauty. But when I got this, I did notice on the side that it does still say Kat Von D. So this is a slightly older product. There is no kind of use by date or anything like that on it. And it is still sealed with cellophane. So hopefully it's good to use. They are obviously trying to get rid of all the Kat Von D stuff because it has now been rebranded. But this is a product that I have heard really good things about and I have been wanting to try. So I seen this cute little pot and I couldn't resist. The only problem with this is if I do fall in love with this product and want to purchase the full size, there's a good chance that the full size of this would now have a different formula because it is a vegan brand, which I don't think Kat Von D Beauty was, but we'll just have to see how I get on with it first. So the full size of this is 19 grams for £23. This is 1.4 grams of product, so I work out that this is worth £1.69. And then the final product that I chose was something I found quite exciting and something different for a subscription box. And that is a single eyeshadow from Natasha Denona. So this says it is from the Zendo palette and this is the shade Sense 384M. And it is just a little pan of product and it is a gorgeous kind of chocolate coppery brown shade. And it does look really nice. I didn't know Natasha Denona even did kind of singles like this, especially ones from a main palette. I believe the Zendo palette is one of the more recent releases to Natasha Denona, so it's really nice that I do get to try the formula of that. I can't remember if the Zendo palette is one of the £60 ones or one of the £120 something ones, but I do believe it is the same formula no matter what palette you get from her. Because I see Natasha Denona, I kind of couldn't resist with this and I thought it would be a fun little addition to my beauty box. Not that I reach for single shadows all the time, if at all, if I'm honest, but still I say I couldn't resist because it looked really cute. I'll just actually do a little swatch of this. It is very soft to the touch. And yeah, it is a gorgeous copper shade. And that was just one swipe in the pan, so that is very impactful of a shimmer and does look really nice. So I'm really excited to try this properly. I just need to remember to reach for it because say I'm not the best at remembering to reach for single shadows, but that is a gorgeous shade and I'm glad it's a neutral shade. So value wise for this one, I did actually base it off the full size palette, so I do know the price of the palette. The Zendo palette is one of the £60 ones. So on the Feel Unique website, it says that the palette is 19.5 grams of product for £60. So this is 0.4 grams of eyeshadow, which I work out is worth £1.23. I feel like this is such a great addition to a beauty box, especially with the likes of Natasha Denona, where her eyeshadow palettes aren't cheap. She does have the £25 mini ones, but £25 for 5 shades is still quite pricey. So if you were dying to try the formula, this is the perfect way to do it, to then decide whether you want to possibly purchase one of the minis or the £60 palettes. So yeah, I do wish more subscription boxes would do this kind of thing. So that is everything that I picked for my first Feel Unique beauty box. Like I say, I did pay £13.95 for this box, and I work out that the grand total value of all of these samples is £26.58. So I am kind of getting just shy of double what I've paid for this box. In the grand scheme of things, looking at all the subscription boxes across the board, a lot of them you do tend to get around £40–50 worth of value. This is obviously slightly lower value. If you look at the value of the likes of these 3 products, these are sort of £5 or £6 each, and this one is nearly £12. There is definitely scope to get more value out of this box if you did pick a few more items like this. See, these ones are only worth a couple of pounds. If you are someone who does like to get a lot of value out of their subscription box, this may not be the one for you, unless you don't mind sitting there kind of ahead of time before you select your items and looking at the value of some of them to see if you can get the most for your money. For me personally, with this service, as it was with being the beauty kit, I've always used this as a way to try products that I genuinely wanted to purchase, and I think that is still going to be the case with it going forward as a subscription box, even if I do sign up for a 3-month service. So I'm really excited to see what this box is going to offer over the next few months. Stay tuned to my channel next month to see if I do another unboxing of this and whether I sign up to the subscription or not. I will have this linked in the description box below, as well as the pick and mix samples. I do always have both of those linked in any videos like this that I do. Like I said earlier, I have ordered my pick and mix samples for this month, so that video will be up in the next week or so once it arrives and I get that one filmed. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.